guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. I am very excited for the new year. There are just so many new things that I'm looking forward to in 2018. One of the reasons that I'm very excited is because I am going to hit 100,000 subscribers in the beginning of the year, and that's just amazing to me. And I just can't believe I'm so close. I can't believe I'm at 85,000 right now. It's just amazing. I still can't believe it. And your support, your comments, your likes, it just means the world to me. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Marta. I upload videos in Spanish and in English. If you guys have any requests, just feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Anyways, today I will be talking about my favorite highlighters. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 highlighters that I use often. These are like my all-time favorite ones, but there's only one that I use a lot more often than the other 8, and that is the E.l.f. Cosmetics and Heart Defensor, or that's Heart on Instagram. They created the best formula. It's not glittery at all. I don't really like glittery highlighters, and this one isn't glittery. It's creamy, and I love how they added 2 different tones. I love to mix these two because this one I feel like it's just a bit too light for me, so I mix them, or I just use this one alone. So I'm going to be applying it so you guys can see. I'm using the Anastasia 823 brush. So I'm just going to mix them. I said that weird. And then I'll be putting that on my cheekbone right here. Look at this. I love it. Like I said, it's not so glittery, and it's only $8. I'm not too sure if they still have them on the website, but if they do, I will put the direct link in the description box. So I guess you could say this one's my favorite one from my top 9 highlighters. Okay, that's enough. Oh, and the packaging, come on, it's rose gold. It's like a mirror, kinda. It's just so cute. The lid used to stay up, but now it doesn't. I don't know why. No big deal. And of course, it's all dirty. I use it so many times. Why even clean it? The next 2 are also from E.l.f. Cosmetics. It's their baked highlighters. One is Blush Gems, and the other one is Moonlight Pearls. I also love these so much. The only thing that I don't like about them is that, well, it's just the Moonlight Pearls. I don't know if it's only this one that I got, but you can't really get anything that much if you just like go over the top with the brush. So what I do is I just like scrape it, and then it lands like on the lid, and then I get it from there. But I mean, I love how it applies, and it's just gorgeous. So of course I had to add it to my top 9. And these are only $4. So since I'm gonna be using the same brush, I'm gonna use the E.l.f. Brush cleanser wipes to clean the brush really quick. Just go over it so the highlighters don't mix. So this one's fine if I just go like this. I need a mirror. I'm gonna put this right here. This one's a Blush Gems. Ah! You scared me. Look at that! Wow. I'm always amazed every time I put it and I look at myself in the little screen. It just pops. For Moonlight Pearls, like I said, I scrape it, and then I just get a little bit from there. I can't believe it. These are just $3. Look. Oh my god. Wait, I think I put way too much here. I don't know what else to say. These are just amazing. And for $4, I can't say, it's just, okay. Moving on. Oh, the next one is also E.l.f. Cosmetics, but this one is a blush. I wouldn't use it as a blush because it's a highlighter. It does have a little bit of pink, as you can see right there, but when you apply it, the pink, you can't really see the pink on there, so I don't know why they would consider this a blush. I'm gonna put this on my chin. You see, it works just as amazing as these other highlighters. I think I'm putting way too much. I'm just like excited to show you guys how these are, what they look like. So I'm just putting way too much. This one is $3. Okay, this next one is one of the newest highlighters that I've received. It's from Pop Beauty. It's gorgeous. Oh look, it kind of matches my shirt. It came with, a few weeks ago, they sent me this box right here. It comes with 4 different highlighters. These are their Prismatic Pop Highlighters, and they all have the same formula and everything. They have different tones to them, but Stellar Light, which is this one right here, is my favorite one. These aren't glittery either, which is amazing. So I'm gonna put this one, and this one is $12, which it's still very good. Look, it's all powdery. Because I use it a lot. So I'm gonna put this one right here. Oh, and I didn't put blush at all because I wanted you guys to see the shades or the tones of the highlights. Because some have pink, peach. Like this one is like rose gold kind of. So pretty. I'm applying way too much. You guys, I had to put the battery to charge and I dropped this. It had to be my favorite one. All these are fine, but this one broke. Look at this. I mean, I can fix it, but it's not gonna look as nice. Look at this. It had to be my favorite one. It just had to. Anyways, the next one is from BH Cosmetics. This one is the Spotlight Highlight 6 Color Palette from BH Cosmetics. I think this is just 12. No, not 12. It's $10. But my favorite one from these is this one right here. It's called Dream, I think. You can't even see it. It's all dirty. I'll put it on my clavicle right here. They all have like the same formula and everything. It's just the tones are different. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. So these are very creamy. Let me just swatch them just on my finger. I'll do these 4 right here. Or my fingers. They're just very pretty. Yeah, it's just a very gorgeous palette for just $10. The next one is going to be stick. I think I have 2 stick highlighters. The first one is this Revlon right here. Stick highlighters, I don't really like to apply it like directly on my skin. I like to use my finger. I was about to apply it directly, but I like to use my finger. I'm gonna do the clavicle here. I can't see. So obviously this is a lot creamier. The formula is a lot creamier. They do have another shade. I think it's this one, which is like a gold shade, and they have another one, and has a pink tone to it. I don't really like that one for me. And this is $8.99. And then the next one is going to be this e.l.f. Cosmetics Targeted Natural Glow Stick. I hope I don't stretch out my shirts, but I'm going to put this one on my shoulder right here. I'm not too sure how much this one is. I believe it's $4. And I feel like this one's a lot smoother, a smoother cream than the Revlon that I just showed you. But they were both look so gorgeous. This one's also like a gold shade. I'm not a huge fan of stick highlighters, but I really do like these. Okay, and last but not least, God, I feel like I'm gonna stretch it out so bad, is going to be this NYX Cosmetics Away We Glow Liquid Highlighter. This is like the only liquid, well no, I have like a few high-end liquid glows, but this one's my favorite drugstore highlighter. And it's $7. I'm just gonna put it on my shoulder and then blend it out with my finger. I love how this one doesn't dry out so fast, because there are some that sometimes you don't even have a chance to blend it all out, so it looks patchy, but this one does, or it doesn't dry out fast. I love to use a liquid highlighter alone, or I put a powder highlight on top of that, so I'm going to put the Pinktastic from e.l.f. Cosmetics right on top of this, and it's just going to like help the highlighter really stick on and stay on all day. Well, I don't know how many times I've said highlighter, but I feel like that's the only word I've used in this video. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and help me reach 100,000 subscribers. I'm so close. Just by liking, sharing, it will mean the world to me. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to leave any video requests in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.